By now, I hope you're realizing that the Bernina 880 has so many features in the decorative stitch options. And we're going to get into how you can do tapering with the menu of decorative stitches. We do our Bernina Stitching Cosmos online course where we take decorative stitches to a whole new level. So these are just part of the blocks that we've been sharing throughout our videos, things that you can do. This is double needle with the sideways motion stitches. This is pin tucks with a twin needle and the circular sewing attachment. We've done so much bobbin work. That's always a highlight of our class. And this is fringe using a tailor tack foot that is still available for Bernina and so much fun to play with. That's actually thread that's been turned into fringe. So the menu we're talking about is in the decorative stitch tab. Go to the second page and it's the 1400. So touch that folder right here. So the stitches that are taperable, is that a word? It is now, are these stitches here. I'm going to touch this little arrow to pop out the whole entire grouping, and there's still 2 pages worth of stitches. So these are going to be kind of fun to play with. We're just going to start here. We'll just start on the first one. That's a satin stitch. But look at what happens when you pick the stitch. You are given a start, a middle, and an end. So depending on where you are within the stitch, and then notice that you have a reverse button that activates when you actually change it to the end of the pattern. So you can have these record the length that you stitch. You can do that. You can actually just stitch, and then when you feel like tapering the end, you activate it. And again, all these different stitches. This is fun. I think we should start on that one. But you can see that there's so many fun choices. Let's see if there's any other choices in here that we can play with. Look at these where we could actually go in and change the direction of the tapering depending on your finish. So manual, you could even change this to different locations. This is incredible that we have all these different angles and changes we can do. And I do like that anything that you do change is going to show on screen. I am going to put that back to normal. Now these would allow you to, as you pick your stitch, go around and create that shape, or this one if you pivot and turn in opposite direction. Great way to make a square or border or even other shapes as well. So we're going to stick with kind of the more basic items versus that particular feature. We're going to use the open toe foot so we can see where we're going. I've got 20C selected now, but I want to show you how we actually kind of do the beginning, the middle, and the end. So I'm going to slow this down and let's use the start stop button, because when it starts a taper, the beginning always stitches. Then as soon as the beginning stitches and finishes the beginning part, it switches over to the middle. Now the machine doesn't care how long you make this middle. When you touch the reverse button, which I can do on the fly, you'll see that it switches over to the ending point, and we do see that 43 millimeters is the recorded length for this. If we stopped with the needle in the down position and lifted up the foot, we could then pivot and create a new part of this. Let's just go ahead and do that now. It should actually do the length that we have on screen, so I should not have to actually know when to touch the reverse button for getting it to finish up that particular size. Well, now that I've done that much, I almost want to just finish out the rest of the square. Now, I did not draw any lines on here, so I'll have to kind of work to get it to totally line up. So just in case I didn't turn it up exact 90 degrees, but I should be able to see approximately where I'm aiming for once I get the last turn. Well, without working too hard, I nailed it. How fun is that? I hope you'll try out all the different tapering stitches and even try to experiment with some of your own versions of trying different shapes as we showed you in the tapering menu.